Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for upgrading your English vocabulary, you are in the right place. Today in this video we will be sharing 5 powerful words that will help you to read and write with more confidence and clarity. Let's get started. So the first word is dexterity. It means skill and ease in using the hands or body. It also refers to mental agility. Example with this word would be surgeon's dexterity was evident in the delicate operation he performed. She typed the report with surprising dexterity, finishing in half the usual time. So this is how dexterity word has to be used. Next word is voracious. It is the hunger or an eager approach to something, especially food knowledge. Example with this word would be, he had a voracious appetite after hiking all day. Next sentence is, she is a voracious reader, finishing 3 books in a week. Word number 3 is wily. It means skilled at gaining an advantage, especially in a very clever manner, in a cunning way. Example with this word would be, the wily fox escaped the trap once again. He made a wily move in the negotiation to get the better deal. Next word is espouse. It is to support or adopt a belief, cause, or a way of life. The sentence using espouse would be, the candidate chose to espouse environmental protection as a central issue in his campaign. She espoused the values of equality and fairness throughout her career. And finally, we have the word blissful. Its meaning is extremely happy, full of joy and contentment. Example would be, they spent a blissful week on the beach far from all their worries. We can also use it as, her face had a blissful expression after hearing the good news. So hope this video was useful to you. You got 5 new words to use them in your writing as well as while speaking. If you enjoyed this content, do comment in the comment section which is the word that you like the most, and also share your feedback. Do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.